Perfect, Dad's asleep. Here's my chance. All right, where's the answer key? There it is. Oh, I can't get it. It's under his elbow. I'll write it down. Yes, I'm totally gonna ace this test tomorrow.
Huh? What did you say, Lily?
I said you should go to bed because we have a test tomorrow.
Oh, you're right, Lily. You're the best daughter ever.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Here's your exams, guys. You have 1 hour to finish.
Thank you.
I'll be done in 5 minutes. I'm done with my test.
That was fast. Let me see. Huh? Lily, I can't believe you would cheat on the exam.
Oopsie.
This is unacceptable. I'm sorry, Lily, but you get a 0 for this exam.
But Dad.
No buts. Okay, 2 more essays and then I'm done. All right, Fred, let's see what you wrote. Huh? Why did he type so small? This should help. All right, so the history of cars. This is taking forever to read, and he wrote so much. It's too much to read. B+. Last one. Huh? Just 1 page? Oh, it's Lily's.
I love you, Dad.
Oh, that's so sweet. A++. All done. All right, I want everyone to do a short informative speech to present tomorrow.
What? 1 day isn't enough time to research for the speech.
Yeah.
Just get started. I need the rough draft by the end of today.
Dad, this is so unfair.
Oh, don't worry. She'll be here any minute.
Who?
Hello, I'm Joyce, a certified speech tutor.
I got the best tutor in the county to help you with your speech.
Wow, you're the best, Dad.
Can she help me too?
Sorry, Fred. She only has enough time to help Lily.
I need to hurry. Oh man, my mom just packed me the spinach sandwich and carrots. Oh, gross.
Oh, my mom just got me a ham sandwich and broccoli.
What did you get, Lily?
Yeah, maybe we can trade something.
Actually, I don't have my food yet. My dad.
Here you go, Lily.
Thanks, Dad.
All right, enjoy your lunch.
Hey Lily, I'll trade you my carrots for some french fries.
Oh yeah, and I'll do your homework for a week.
Sorry, but my dad got this for me.
Oh man, Lily's so lucky.
I know. I'm stuck with this.
Oh, gross. I hate spinach. Can I retake the test, Professor, please? I got a C. I can't let that affect my grade.
If you were so worried about your grade, you would have studied more. No exceptions. Class dismissed.
Oh. Bye, Lily.
Bye. Hey, Dad.
Huh?
Can you let me retake my test?
What? Lily, I just told Fred there were no retakes.
Dad, please. I don't want an F.
Fine, only this once.
Hey, thanks, Dad.
All right, to simplify the equation, make sure you distribute the square root of 2x to this one and this one over here, and that'll get you 4 times.
Professor's going too fast. I can't keep up. Oh! I'll take a photo with my phone and finish writing after class.
And, well, what's that sound? Hey, no phones in class. You're supposed to be taking notes, not texting.
But Professor!
Put it away or I'm taking it.
Okay. Wait, Professor, why does Lily get to use her tablet?
Lily's taking notes. Why don't you be a good student like her?
But I was trying
Don't worry
to.
about yourself.
Oh.
Taking notes is so easy.
All right, everyone make sure your brackets are balanced or else the code won't work.
Oh man, writing code is so boring. Oh, I'll watch videos. Professor won't notice. Oh, Professor!
What do you think you're doing, Fred? You're supposed to be coding.
Oh, I was just researching ideas for my next code.
I don't want to hear excuses. Get back to work.
Okay, Professor.
Huh? Lily, why aren't you working?
I'm designing a fashion website.
Wow, Lily, that's so impressive.
But she's online shopping.
Why don't you be proactive like Lily?
Oh.
Ooh! Fred, can I have some chips?
No way, I only have enough for me.
Fine then. Dad, Fred Fred's eating in class.
Fred, you know eating's not allowed in class. Give me the chips.
Oh, come on, Professor, please.
Just give me the chips.
Psst. Hey, Dad, can I have the chips?
But Lily, there's no eating allowed in class.
Please, Dad, I didn't eat breakfast this morning.
Fine, I can't let my daughter go hungry.
Thanks, Dad.
Wait, what? Lily, those are my chips.
Hey, no chit-chatting. Do your work.
I just evaluate your class today. Just teach as normal.
Yes, Dean John. Fred, go ahead and take a seat. Lily, can you solve this problem?
The problem is so advanced. Can't really do it.
Of course, Lily's my best student. Go ahead and solve it.
Okay. I think that says cosine.
Psst, Lily, you have to simplify the expression first.
Wait, what did you say, Dad?
Distribute the coefficients.
Huh? What's going on? Why you telling her the answer? You said she's the best student.
Oh, it's because
This is normal, Dean.
Really? It's happened every day? Can you tell me the truth, Brad?
Lily's his daughter. That's why she's the best student.
Really? You got fired, man. And you got F in the class, really.
man, fired.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.